Today, we're headed to the rapidly growing North City development in San Marcos, where we'll visit with an asset manager at SeaBreeze Properties, a leading development, investment, and management firm in San Diego County.
My name is VaShajn Parr. I am the asset manager for SeaBreeze Properties, a real estate development firm here in San Marcos, California. An asset manager at SeaBreeze Properties monitors and manages the properties, the people, which are our residents, tenants, and guests on commercial and residential on a day-to-day basis. It is legitimately operations. An asset manager is the operator and the manager of the North City development. A likely educational path to become an asset manager would be in a property management certification, a property management degree, a background or a degree in business management. My team has a Bachelor of Arts in Economics and accreditation, right? Even if it's like an accreditation that you have, which is going to certify you to manage properties, certify you to be a facilities manager, anything really that kind of touches the building and teaches you how to manage it, the people, the place, and the finances. So traits that successful candidates would have to be an asset manager, I would say are, analytical. You would have to have an affinity to learn, right? You have to have the aptitude and enthusiasm. And you need to have the ability to want to come to work, to want to problem solve, to want to figure things out, and connect people with the places and the places with the people. If you're really interested in getting involved, then you put yourself out there. You look for opportunities to intern at a property management firm or a real estate development firm. It's such a vast industry that, if you're trying to be an asset manager, a property management firm would make sense because there are plenty of asset managers that are managing the financials, balance sheet, capital projects, all of those things. But if you find that you have an affinity for facilities or for construction or for financing the asset or the project or the construction, there are plenty of pathways and people who you can learn from, essentially. I love witnessing the growth and the evolution and the development of the community that we're building, and it is a joy and a pleasure and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to watch it happen and become in real time.